Yo, what's good guys? It's your boy Friends out here. We're back with another video. Today we're gonna be going to the canyons and ripping it out there with this loud 335i. Don't mind my car right now, it's a little pretty busy in here. But yeah, let's hear a cold start on this 335i fully straight pipe. This shit's loud, bro. What are you doing? Dude, what is this? Making a quick pit stop real quick. This is like the favorite go-to pit stop. This is liquor store before you hit the canyons. Just gonna leave the car running. Like, bro, this shit is way too fun, bro. Definitely need a new lip because this does not look good in person. But apart from that, bro, this car is crazy. All right. Bro. Oh. That was freaking insane, bruh. That was insane. Holy crap. It's super foggy out right now. Dude, that was insane. Listen to this, bro. Holy crap, bro. This car is insane. That was wild. Everything was flying around the car. No way. I'm gonna let this car cool down and then we'll keep going. We just had an insane run in the beginning right now. We're about to go up. Gotta take a hit. That was insane. god, what the fuck? Where am I going? It's closed. Dude, that view is insane though. Heck. I might have to come back. I might have to come back, bro. Hey, look at this view. Let me give you guys a little. I just heard someone right now. I think it's supposed to be up here. This is like a private road, and it goes to like a gated area. Some crazy splashing going on over there. It's water. I think this is like a dam or something. Look at this, bro. Cinematic. You guys already know. Time for that. 3, 2. Look at this. That's insane. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys like this canyon run POV / chilling in the canyons type stuff. But man, you guys have really come to us. Here's the canyons. Just enjoy this for yourself, because this doesn't get old, bro. Like, this view ain't going nowhere. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video. Oh my god, and this is like 1%. Oh shit, there's a freaking car coming, bro.
No puedes estar aquí.
Yeah, I'll just filming. I'm gonna move around.
No, not big over here. Get it from the highway 39. This is private property.
Oh bad, I didn't know.
I can crash you. You can crash to somebody.
You want me to go all the way down and make a U-ey?
Decide, you can fly.
All right, man. Oh god. The guy really just said I can fly off this thing right now if I wanted to. Damn. Sheesh. Alright guys, after getting kicked out over there, new spot. And damn, it looks like somebody was doing a fat old donut here. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe down below. You know, just press that little button right there. Help me get to my goal for this year, 1,000 subs. That will definitely motivate me to just continue working on this car and just continue filming. Apart from that, if you guys have any idea what I should do to the car, definitely let me know down below. For sure that I'm gonna do to this car for this year, definitely get some wheels and suspension done to this car and change this freaking lip. Oh man, I miss riding. So I hope you guys like this video, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.